Hello everyone, I'm Jonathan Saw. I'm the programmer who tells interesting project to you. Now, I would like to start an interesting project. It's the first topic, which is about big data analysis using Arduino and Excel. Among this topic is the first section. I would like to talk about what we will do, the introduction of this project. It is the first work on interesting project. I'm so happy to introduce my work, Big Data Analysis using Arduino and Excel. This is what I did with my son a few years ago. One day, my son saw a flag was waving in the wind. He wanted to explore the relationship between wind and height. So my son and I have discussed how we can accomplish our goal. And then we decide to make an Arduino equipment and program to capture lots of weather data such as wind speed, humidity, and temperature automatically. It was natural to use the Microsoft Excel, which was familiar to my son, in order to analyze a lot of big data. Now, let me summarize the procedure of this project into 5 parts. First, I would like to introduce the project in this section, what we will do. Hey Jeannie, can you explain the main step?
Yes, Master. Next, let me share back-kilogram round information about this work. I will cover project motivation, theoretical back-kilogram round, and hypothesis. After these, I will show how we made our equipment to capture data using Arduino and related circuit and sensors. We will measure wind speed at different height 1 meter, 3 meters and compare them. We will make sure that the wind speed and altitude have a constant relationship through data analysis. Next, we will study how we can automate this routine work to check wind speed, humidity and temperature in 5 minutes by Arduino program and processing program which enable to generate an Excel-readable file to store data. Last, we will perform big data analysis using Microsoft Excel pivot table and other function. Then, we can reach the result what we want.
Thank you, friend Jenny. Well, are you interested in it? It will be funny and useful to you. Are you ready? Let's go! If you want to get more information, please visit my Creapo site. And if you want to get full article and script about this movie clip, please visit my blog site. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press like button if you like to support better work. Thank you very much.